Hello, my name is David, and I got lower implants with Dr. Boylan. I was losing bone in my jaw, and as a result, my teeth were loosening. In the back and on the sides, they were loose. And it got to the point where you could almost pull them out. But that was the breaking point, teeth moving on both sides of my mouth. And in order to save them, I had to have them removed and implants placed into my mouth. But the primary cause was, in fact, bone loss in my jaw. Losing teeth potentially affected my business. I'm an attorney, so I'm always in the public's presence. It didn't cause me to withdraw, it's just that I was very conscious. I smiled a lot less. And when you're young, you're also fearful of dentists, and so finding the right dentist was critical for my peace of mind. Went online and Dr. Boylan's name popped up. Other dentists popped up. But what I liked about Dr. Boylan's approach was you tell them your problem, put in your phone number, and they promise they will call you the next day. His approach really appealed to me, and he gave me some options, but I definitely wanted implants. I didn't know the scope of the bone loss, and it was pretty severe. And so there had to be some preliminary steps done by Dr. Boylan to get my mouth ready for implants. He had to do a fairly extensive amount of work, but Dr. Boylan was so professional and so attentive that I got through the process and I could drive home. I was impressed with his high technology usage. With the Yomi machine, for example, you will feel less pain. He called me the next day. He says, "How are you doing? Any problems? Don't call, just come in and we'll see you." And that really left a very good feeling about this dentist. I was so impressed with this operation, Dr. Boylan and his staff. I think what I like about Dr. Boylan, what I've told other people is, he is a professional. He wants to do the right thing by way of your mouth, and you know that right off the bat. And he was being very patient and careful, which I also appreciated. And I had never been in a dentist's office that had such high tech before, and he seems to be a master of all these pieces of technical equipment. I tell him that he's good, and he's fair, and his prices are reasonable.